Now we will discuss the reactions that happen between these halogens and hydrogen. The halogens react with hydrogen to form hydrogen halides, like hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen iodide. We will learn these reactions between halogens and hydrogen. And in this table, on page 106, it shows the reactions between halogens and hydrogens. What's the reaction and how does it happen? So let's start page 106, the reactions with hydrogen. So we will explain the reaction between elements in group 7 with hydrogen. The halogens react with hydrogen to form hydrogen halides, like hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen iodide. Okay, this equation is an example about these reactions. For example, hydrogen gas plus bromine gas will give hydrogen bromide. This easy equation shows that a reaction happens between hydrogen and bromine gives hydrogen bromide. Alright? The hydrogen halides are all steamy, acidic, poisonous gases. The hydrogen halides that are produced, like the hydrogen bromide, are all steamy, vapor. Acidic, they have low pH, acidic, and poisonous gases. Poisonous means toxic gases. The compounds formed between the halogens and nonmetals, the gases are covalently bonded. The compounds that formed between the reaction of halogens and nonmetals, like this equation that produces hydrogen bromide, the bond between hydrogen bromide is, what's the type of this bond? This bond is covalent bond between the compounds formed between halogens and nonmetals. The gases are covalently bonded. They are very soluble in water. They dissolve in water. They react with water to produce solutions of acid. These hydrogen halides react with water to produce acidic solution. The reactivity falls quickly as you go down the group. The first element has high reactivity. As we go down below, this reactivity decreases very much. Okay? Now open page 106. Let's focus on this table. Reactions between halogens and hydrogen. The first halogen is fluorine, right? The reaction with hydrogen, what will produce? Violent explosion, even in the cold and dark. Chlorine violent explosion if exposed to a flame or to sunlight. Here, chlorine will react with hydrogen to form a violent explosion if it is exposed to a flame or sunlight. Okay? Bromine, mild explosion if a bromine vapor or hydrogen mixture is exposed to a flame. The reaction will form a mild explosion if this mixture, which is about vapor of a bromine with a hydrogen exposed to a flame. And iodine, partial reaction to form hydrogen iodide if iodine vapor is heated continuously with hydrogen. Partial reaction will produce hydrogen iodide if this iodine vapor is heated with hydrogen. So these were the reactions between halogens and hydrogen. Each one has a specific way to react with hydrogen.